Hi guys, and welcome to Excel tutorial. This is going to be a very short tutorial. It's just all about how to import MySQL straight into Excel workbook. This is the one I did earlier. So I'm going to open up a new page, and this very one, look at the very first one. I'm just going to close that. I didn't even save it, so I'm going to say no, I don't want to save it. This is a new one entirely. Now, what I'm going to show to you guys is my database that I have right in here. Okay, I'm just going to log on straight onto the database. And there we go. This is a very simple tutorial. It's not going to take that long, and you guys can have a go at it as well. But the most important thing is just make sure you know how to create your database in MySQL. And this is the database I created maybe about 3-4 days ago. I've actually used it in Visual Basic and C#. Now I'm going to use this same database on Excel. So I'm going to minimize that. That's the database. I intend to use the EMP, which represents employee. So let's minimize that. Now, make sure your workbook is open. All you then need to do is to go to data right here, click on data. If you've installed MySQL properly, you should be able to see the icon for MySQL right here. So click on it, and right there you can see the properties area for MySQL for Excel. So whatever the name of your database is or the connection, okay, just click on it or just select it. That's mine there. Now, when you double click on it, it then asks you to enter your password. I'm going to enter my password in there and click on OK. And there we go. Those are the database that I have on my SQL database. And the one I intend to use is the one called EMP. So double click on the EMP, and that opens up the table. This is the table I intend to use. Click on that very table. It's now left to you. Either you want to import it or you want to edit. But all I just want to do is to import. Okay, so I'm going to click on import data, and that is the data. If you want to complete the importation of the data, just click on import, and that's all there is to it. There. Every single record on my SQL database is now on my Excel workbook, and you can save that if you want. And that's all about this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed, and please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.